Hi guys, I hope you all doing fine. And this is going to be my first bike blogs with my Fuji carbon fiber bike. All right. So first of all, I would like to check my bike. Now I bought this bike in the year 2014, so it's been 6 years till this time, and I buy it on a sale Bike Plus in Molabesh Arena. I buy it for 120,000 pesos. Actually, it's on sale. Original price is 180. So could you imagine 120 in 2014? And I've been using it for 6 years and have seen online this bike is still being sold at 160, 180. So I'm already a winner. Long time I use it. But there is there are things you should check with a carbon fiber bike. You got to check the connection between the carbon fiber materials, just like here, and the alloy, the steel that connects those two distinct material, carbon fiber and alloy steel. Because you cannot use a bike that is on full carbon only, right? So far, in God's guidance, I don't have any crash or accident on the road. So I'm sure that the body of my carbon fiber bike are still intact. What I'm checking only are the critical points. Maybe there are some um, cracks. For example, that one that I've shown you on the connection between the wheels and the fork. So next thing you need to check is the rear side of the wheel. This part here connects the wheels and the body here. Okay, make sure that there is no crack, there is no overpressure on the carbon fiber body. So far, it's still good, still intact. Got nothing to worry about if I use it, if I go on a high speed on that. But I'll just make sure it's not going to bump hard. Taking care of or looking at the road, it must be smooth. There are no potholes and that. Okay, so this bike is perfect. I love it. This is something a different design. This is my first carbon fiber bike. Every biker should dream of owning one, and of course it's a little bit expensive, you know. So you get to uh, add some budget into that. Okay, so if you note, this is a carbon fiber time trial bike. Okay, so there is this time trial handle at the front that is designed ergonomically to achieve more speed on the road. So that to hold it, there is the is supporting your elbow, and then you'll be on racing mode, posture and racing mode. Now, this bike you will not notice the brakes because it's a some kind of a caliper type brakes. That is, if you're not familiar with carbon fiber bikes, you will not know where is the brake. All right. So inspection to the bike is really required so that you will achieve a safe riding all throughout your riding session. Okay, so checking the bike includes checking the body itself and of course the attachment to the biking shoes. I mean the cleats and this part here. You got to check the connection between the body and the one that holds or connects to the sprocket, the whole body itself. You need to check for some cracks. All right. So if you know there's so many stickers, I put it to cover some scratches on the body. Undeniably, there's a lot, but just to make it look good, I put on those stickers. Yeah, the fact is, it helps. I actually made it wrapped with a plastic, and it helps against um, penetration of dirt on the carbon fiber body bike. All right. So now I get variations of water bottle. Just changing it every ride. I get six of them. Okay. So the lighting or the signal light at the back, that is, there is battery chargers for that. You can just change it. You can charge it. And the front light is that is utilizing only an energizer battery. But those lights are useful, especially if you will be riding early in the morning or some nighttime biking spree where there are lots of vehicles on the road. Okay, so I get to demonstrate you how to use it if you are doing some high speed on this time trial bike. You will hold both of this handle, and then this one will you will rest your elbow, and then there you go. You are on a racing mode, and you are placed ergonomically. That is wind resistance. Okay, although I'm not racing this bike, but it makes sense. You know, if I'm on the road, I could go with the faster bikes, those road bikes out there. So if we're just the same in strength, of course I am ahead because my bike is lighter. It's an advantage already. Okay, so I'm going to do my first road bike since I go home from Kuwait. Okay, so it's 6:15 and I will be doing my first um, bike vlog using my carbon fiber Fuji bike. Okay, so this is the first. And I'm trying to go with the group running 30 to 45 kilometers per hour. So I just hope I could sustain the face, I mean, no, not the face, but the pacing. I mean, 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, so I got to start the bike now. Switch off light here and there. Okay. Okay, ready to take off now. So this is the elevator. I get to use the other one because I need to
I need to get down to the basement. So I need to use this. It's either this one or the other one. This one doesn't go to the basement. Fuck, man, fuck. Oof. I gotta use this. Yeah. No other choice. Unless it takes time. Whew.
guys, so just in summary of my ride last Wednesday. Now, first of all, I am running at MOA bike circuit, which is approximately one way is 1.5 kilometers, and one round would be 3 kilometers. So I did 10 rounds, so that would be approximately 30 kilometers. And I was doing well. I was not running below 30. Start start of the run at 30 kilometers, and then my top speed is 36, 37 kilometers per hour. And you see some guys are passing me, they are running at 40, 42. Very few could have a 45 kilometers per hour. But this Wednesday is a normal day. During Saturday and Sunday, you will see strong group coming here, Rancho team, 7-Eleven, Navy bikers, or the AFP bikers. They're coming here, they're so strong. Sometimes I try to cut through them, but I can't. They're running at 45, 45 kilometers per hour. So normally in a peloton of the NPC um, bike race, they're running at 40, 45 normal speed. That is if you are with the peloton. All right. So so far so good. Cheers. God bless to all of you guys. Thanks.